Hello, Magpul Replicas here. This is my new AR-15. I've been working on it for a while, about 3 months now. It works exactly like the real thing. It field strips like the real thing. It's 1-to-1 scale. It has a moving trigger, a working bolt, working dust cover, removable, working mag release. Working sides. This is the gas block with the gas rod that goes all the way into the upper receiver. Working bolt catch. Working safety. Adjustable stock. This is my new Magpul MOE stock, by the way. This is the KX3 flash hider with the Vltor, gas block. Excuse me. Troy Industries front side, AR.M.S 40 LP rear side with the Magpul MOE buttstock, 20 round mag, standard 30 round mag, and the 30 round mag with a Magpul AFG angled foregrip. Goes on like this. Looks pretty badass. My Eotech version 3. It's modeled after the Eotech 553 with quick release. Looks pretty nice on the gun. Hang on. This is what it looks like on the gun with a mag. Stubby vertical grip, flashlight with a laser sight connected to a wire, so it looks cool on the gun. Let me show you. Hang on. Looks pretty badass. Micro Aimpoint T-1. Micro Aimpoint with the Eotech MPO magnifier. It goes on like this. This is with the magnifier on. This is without the magnifier. Yeah, that's about it. I'll make another video how to field strip the gun and how it all goes back in place. So yeah, see you later, bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment. If you have any ideas, on what to update or what to fix, please tell me. I love all your support. Thanks for watching my videos. See you later.